Hello, Queens. It is your girl, Chocolate Beauty, aka. Wait a minute. It ain't no aka. It's your girl, Alexis, aka Chocolate Beauty. See, we gonna leave the bloopers and all that up in this video because we are real all the time. That's how I go. Anyway, so today's video is a first impressions video of some bundles that was sent to me from one of my beautiful queens, my followers slash subscribers slash friends on Facebook. And she sent me some raw straight bundles, so we're gonna get right into this. They came like this, y'all. She's just getting everything up and running, so she did send it to me like this. She's getting boxes and all of that good stuff together, honey, so it's gonna be all the way queen like. But she did send me that in that really cute pink bag. Y'all know my room is black and pink, so you know your girl gonna find something to do with that. So she sent me a 16-inch bundle, a 18-inch bundle, and a 20-inch bundle. Now y'all know y'all girl ain't got nobody's hair, right? So what I'm gonna do with this is I'm probably gonna do like a quick weave with it, maybe like a quick weave bob or something like that, something real cute like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open these bundles real quick. All right, so here goes the bundle. Okay, this is the 16-inch, like I said. So as you can see, it's easy to run your fingers through. It is very soft. That is what the wefts are looking like. Okay. It has a stronger smell than, you know, other brands of hair or other companies that I've done reviews for. But you know what? That don't bother chicks like this one right here, because honey, if you wash your hair and do all of that and you know all that good stuff, prepare it before you install it, then that is no problem. I'm loving how silky this feels, y'all. It is in a natural color. Okay. Right now I done opened up the, which one I opened up? Yeah, I done opened up the 18 now. And just running my fingers through it, I'm not getting no shedding, which is a plus. I've gotten bundles, y'all. As soon as you rub your fingers through it, you got all kind of hair on your hands. We don't want that. So, like I said, it feels really nice. I'm really looking forward to installing this. I do have a straight frontal that I've never used. I had cut it kind of short because I wanted to do like a really short, cute behind the ear type situation. So I think I will use that frontal, and I will use these bundles to do that. And we're gonna chop it up, cut it up, make a real cute little short situation for the summertime, y'all, because y'all know I'm in Texas and this weather has been 100-something degrees. So this is right on time for your girl to do a real cute little short hairstyle with it. So we will do this. Now let me tell you a little something about this queen. You can follow her on IG. Her page is, and her company is called Bundles of Blessings. That's bundles _of blessings. Follow her on IG, y'all. Give us some support. And like I said, I will be back with y'all in a few days. If not, yeah, in a few days. And put the wig together and then show y'all the install video, of course. And if we decide to color it or whatnot, we're going to see how that works too. But that is all for this video, y'all. Remember, y'all can follow her at Bundles of Blessings. Bundles _of blessings. And I will make sure I leave her IG in the description bar. Then I'm going to go back to Facebook, and I'm going to leave her information as far as on Facebook as well. So y'all can hit the queen up and get your bundles. But for now, I will talk to you queens later, and I will catch y'all in the next video.